Want to turn off your professional account on Instagram and go back to a personal profile? First, open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right to get to your page. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu, then choose Settings and Privacy. Because you currently have a professional account, you'll see sections like Creator Tools or Business Controls near the top. Scroll down until you find Switch Account Type. Tap that, then select the option to switch to a personal account and confirm. Instagram will immediately remove the professional badge, and the professional dashboard in Creator/Business Tools will disappear from your view. After switching, refresh your profile by pulling down or exiting and reopening the app to make sure the change has taken effect. If you change your mind later, you can always go back into Settings and Privacy, choose Switch Account Type again, and pick Creator or Business to re-enable the professional features. That's all it takes to turn off a professional account and revert to a personal one. If this helped you, tap like, leave any questions or tips in the comments, and subscribe for more quick Instagram guides.